Whoa! Well. Yo, what's up? I'm back. I'm back again in Portugal. Hello, my beautiful Portuguese people. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Well, it's been a while. It's been so long since I've been in Portugal, right? You guys are some of the best people out there. I mean, like the last time I've made a mistake to say, I can't forget that Portugal speak Spanish, which is not so. Portugal speak Portuguese. Damn, bro. Thank you so much for the correction, man. I mean, like some of you are roasted me though. Like the comments are so harsh, but I've learned that you guys speak Portuguese, and this is a Brazilian flag, right? They also speak Portuguese. I didn't know that until just now. I thought Brazilians speak Spanish, but it wasn't. It was always Portuguese, right? Well, let's move on to the next thing, right? Okay, so I'm here to react to this female. She's called Iolanda. The song is called Grito, and this time it's a Acoustic Panteão Nacional. I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Well, it's an acoustic live, right? In Portugal. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Peace. Oh yes, and drink yourself some energy drink from Boom. It's really a great energy drink. I mean, like, I need it for this reaction because I need the energy, bro. So, let's dive in. Peace.
Ouvi, senti o corpo a carregar.
Damn! Bro, she's good. She's really good. Oh my god, bro. Yo, she's good, bro. She's absolutely good, my G.
Seguimos assim, e outro, e outro, e outro. Só que dali.
I gotta say, boop, boop, boop. Her voice is so perfect. Whoa! Portugals, you are going on with something beautiful here.
Aviso quando lá chegar, entrego-me aqui, pouco a pouco.
Wow! Wow! Boop, boop, boop. Totally awesome.
Passos largos presa na partida. Quero largar o que me deixou ferida. Peço à estrela mãe que faça.
Yo, I gotta say, this is one of the nicest acoustic live performance I've heard in ages, bro. Whoa, the synchronization is so perfect, my G. Damn! Miss Iolanda, you have outdone yourself at this point. I gotta say, you deserve more than this, man.
Nascer de novo. chama que ainda
Boop, 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 bro. The acoustic live sounds so perfect. This is well done. This is well done. I gotta say, she takes the time out to make it a perfection. She's a perfectionist. Wow. I didn't know that she have a beautiful voice, but she has proven herself that with or without instrumental beats in the background while she's singing, she can even outdone the official thing. Damn, she's good, bro. You guys are outstanding here. To be honest, you guys are doing excellent at this point.
ainda arde, ainda arde. Hoje eu quero provar a mim mesmo que posso ser o que eu quiser. Juntar quem me quer bem numa mesa, perdoar quem me quis ver sofrer. A mim não me engano, eu sou todo o tamanho. Ainda lembro quando era pequeno, eu sonhava primeiro. Passos largos presa na.
Wow. Wow. This is what I called an amazing performance. This is what I've called superb combination, collaboration, whichever you guys want to put it. It's amazing to see these people coming together to perform this amazing masterpiece of work. The artistic job here is outstandingly amazing. It's impressive. Really impressive. Damn. You guys made me so proud, man.
Partida. Hoje eu largo aquilo que me deixou ferida e peço à estrela mãe que faça o dia nascer de novo.
Wow. Boop, 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 boop. Damn, bro. Damn. Hey, I love it.
Transformei cada verso de e entrega a coragem que ainda arde. Bate a luz no peito e abre, só chama que
Hey. 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 Wow. If you guys don't understand how beautiful her voice really is, you guys should never listen to music, man. This is musically amazing, bro. Damn, bro. It's. Oh my god, bro. Damn, she's good. She's really good, bro. This is so enjoying.
só chama que ainda arde. Só chama que ainda arde.
Yo! At this point right now, I give up. I absolutely give up. I've given up. Bro, she's the siren of Portugal. Bro, do you guys heard that? That's a siren sound. It's perfect, bro. Damn, she's a siren, bro. I never heard such amazing song, such amazing voice in a long time. I've heard plenty. Don't get me wrong. I've heard plenty, but this one stands out different, bro. She's a siren, man. Wow. 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 A solid 10 for me, man.
Transformei cada verso de mim e entregue a coragem que ainda arde. Bate a luz no peito e abre, só chama que ainda arde.
This is so fantastic. Superb. Okay, and compliments on the instrumental, right? Compliments on the musicians that helped to make this a masterpiece. Guys, to all those Portuguese, and if you are from Brazil, massive love and respect. You guys are so incredible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, right? And leave a sub on the channel. Leave a like if you should. If you guys can share it as well, I would appreciate that, right? Because I'm from Jamaica, I'm not really familiar with the Portuguese country, right? So I want to learn more from you all. Take care. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you then.